What is up, YouTubers? It's your old buddy Hardworker 12 up in the greater South Lake Tahoe area. Gonna have to try to dig my automobile out. Great blizzard of 2021. I was gonna film a video on this car while I was up here, which kind of recently came into my possession, but due to the weather I kind of kiboshed those plans. It's currently December 31st. They have kind of cleaned out the street. You want to see what that looked like 4 days ago, December 27th? There you go. And you know how it initially got cleaned out? Your old boy Hardworker 12 did it. Then they sent the plow like 3 days later. So anyways, I'm going to dig this thing out, show you how to do it. Going to speed up the footage so it's not the most boring YouTube video of all time. And if you stay tuned till the end, I'll give you some still shots of the ridiculous snow we've had up here. All right, now the fun part comes. I'm gonna get the keys, I'm gonna move it, and then I gotta blow out the other side of the driveway. This is gonna be good. There's the car, pretty much snowed out. A couple of words to the wise. If you're gonna do this, when you clean your car off, please clean the 2 feet of snow off of the roof so that as you're driving down the highway, you don't blind the drivers behind you, and or when you slam on your brakes, the snow doesn't all go on the windshield and blind you, and or you don't dump a huge lump of snow in the middle of the road. A couple other things. If you're gonna live where it snows, or you do live where it snows, or you're moving to where it snows, the best cars in the snow are Subarus. All of y'all with your Jeeps and your Toyotas, sit down. Chevy trucks, don't even talk to me. Best snowblowers, Hondas. I don't care what Consumer Report says. I don't care what anybody says. My family's lived in this house since 1988. And we've had a total of 2 Honda snowblowers, and this is the kind of snow they are able to deal with. So if you're gonna live in the snow, don't jack yourself. Get a Subaru, get a Honda snowblower. That's all there is to it. Stay tuned if you want to see some more pictures of snow, because I got pictures. Thanks for watching. Have a happy new year. Bye-bye. Right, so this is the snow situation. While I was inside editing the video that you're watching now, friggin' starts snowing again. Oh, look at my car. That's all right. These things happen. Happy New Year, everybody. Ridiculous.